Buy USDT on OKX using Gcash. Open your OKX. Click Buy Crypto. Choose P2P. Click Buy. Choose Gcash. Choose Seller and click Buy. Enter amount. Click Buy USDT. Copy the number. Go to Gcash afterwards. Send money. Choose Express Send. Paste the number you copied from OKX. Enter the amount. Click Next. Check all the details, amount, name, then click Send. Then click Send. Take a screenshot of the successful transfer. Then go back to OKX. Click Payment Completed. Then Confirm. Click Remind Seller. And send the screenshot of the successful transfer. Wait until the seller transfers the USDT to your account. Then go to your account to check if the USDT has been credited.